Welcome! I'm Beth from Krafty Beth, and today I wanted to go ahead and invite you to new videos on my channel. These videos are all about sewing adventures. I would like to go ahead and just enjoy sharing with you the new things that I have been going through, the things that I know about sewing. And this channel is going to be bringing in those videos on learning how to sew and use your machine, lose the fear of your machine, being able to troubleshoot many of the problems that sometimes we all have. So if you're interested in watching these videos, go ahead and share the video to others who would like to go ahead and enjoy those. And also don't forget to comment down below and like this video. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I know a lot of you guys have not subscribed. Let's go ahead and go over some of the topics that I wanted to go ahead and share with you guys. Introduction to the sewing machine. Why sewing? Why do you want to sew? What projects would you like to do? There's lots of exciting things that we can learn to do on the sewing machine. We'll be learning the materials and the tools that you are going to need to start up your sewing adventure. Your area that you would like to keep, things that you do need to start up, like your sewing machine, your scissors, specifically for fabric. There are scissors for fabric and there's scissors for paper. We're going to keep those separate. So thread and other things that you need, the parts of the sewing machine, how to differentiate the different places of your sewing machine, settings, straight stitch, and zigzag. Those are the two of the stitches we'll be learning first, and then from there we'll be moving on. So if you're interested in learning new things about a sewing machine, or if you're a beginner, and you just want to go ahead and get into it, jump right into it, let's do it. Let's do it together. Join me on this adventure while we start from zero on, and let's see how much sewing machine and sewing and just being able to take that piece of fabric and turn it into. If you'd like to join me, go on and share this video, like, subscribe, so you can be up to date when my new videos come up. They will be weekly, so you'll be learning new things, and I hope to see you then. Next time, bye.